Not sure if the camera's gonna stay here, but let's do this. And my goodness. Maybe not so much. Alright. Stay there. You move, I kill you. Alright, let's try to make this stuff happen. Might as well do a kayak stand in the process, right? There we go. There we go. Alright. So you find yourself in some cold water in Lake Michigan. Yeah, it's cold. And now you gotta get back in. Get out. Alright. Now you're in a good spot. It's a little wavy out here. That felt great. Alright. Drain away the feet a little bit here. Alright. And then you just kind of shuffle your way back in. Ta-da! Because of your hard-earned effort, you then celebrate. Life is good.